My Moto Guzzi dealer is coming out this morning to deliver my V85 TT Adventure. I bought it sight unseen, so when it arrives after a 4-hour drive, we're going to see it for the first time together. Alright, so the V85 has been delivered, dropped off. Let's see, the mirrors are off, so they must be in this thing. I got a lot of stuff to add on. I got the center stand, some heated grips, the all these cases, mirrors are over there, I guess, crash bars, and there's a software interface that I got to install. So I guess we'll do videos of all those to see how all those installations go. But anyway, 2 miles on it. Here it is.